Hey guys, we had a good morning in the first hour trading pit today. What we saw was a nice move in those volatility band trades. We had one Baltimore chop set up, a 2 standard deviation open that triggered us in, triggered us right back out again. There really wasn't much going on. There's not going to be a lot of earnings this week, right? The good stuff was on Microsoft and Nvidia. We had a short in Microsoft, long in Nvidia. They both hit all the levels on all the bands. So nice profits on those. And of course, we've got the triple Qs to look at going into the afternoon. So with that said, let's take a look at the charts and see what we can expect a little bit later today. So here you see we've got the triple Qs. You know, on a futures open that indicated things were moving higher, we actually got a move down, which is not that uncommon on a soft kind of a gap open. And then we saw the follow through in the direction that we were expecting to see. So the good thing here is we built lots and lots of really solid volume by price zones and anchored VWAPs, you know, things that we can look at over the course of the day and figure out what's going on here and what's the relationship to those things in support and resistance. Right now, what I think I'm going to look at on the Qs is a move from 283.37, and then that's going to go up into about this range, so about 283.75 or so. It's not going to be really rich today. Trading's going to be a little bit thinner because people are on the move, people are getting to their holidays and everything, so things are slowing down a little bit already. With regard to Microsoft, I think that that one's going to remain a decent trade for the rest of the day. You see it here, it's settling in on top of its central pivot line. That's always a good indication that we might see a resumption of the morning trend, particularly if the NASDAQ futures start moving lower. So right now it's just anchored right up above its 242.64 level. And we're going to wait and see if we get a little rise to the upside followed by a move back down again. So something that gets it up into this area of prior support and resistance and then down into here. And then I'd like to see it test a little bit below 242.64 and then go up above again and then come back down through. So right now it's not as plain and simple as it was this morning. This morning, of course, we had a couple beautiful trades on this one. We had this move to the downside and we had this move through two of the bands that wound up getting you, just this move to the profit as you trailed your stop in behind there. But all in all, it's been a good day, and I think that that's enough of the look at the charts. There's really not that much more that's going to happen today in terms of price action. I think that the best thing to do is sort of sit on your hands, use those hands as a seat cushion, as we like to say, right? And just wait for the opportunity to come to you, particularly on the triple Qs. And if it doesn't, then just start looking at that holiday and get festive and get ready to spend some time with some family. All right, I'll check in with you later.